Every day, millions of people wake up facing the harsh reality of poverty. They lack the basic necessities for a dignified life: food, shelter, education, and healthcare.
But there is hope. We can empower lives by providing access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities.
When we invest in people, we unlock their potential. We create a future where everyone has a chance to thrive.
Let's build a world where poverty is a thing of the past and every life is empowered.
Join us in the fight against poverty.
Together, we can make a difference.